Page 8 and 9. Let's go over the answers. So, when we're talking about calculating speed, calculating velocity, and how do you graph motion, in the first part we talk about speed. But do all the skaters in the rink move at the same speed? No, and explain. Well, the speed skaters go faster and the couples go slower. So go ahead and check your answer. Number 2 is describe a sport or activity in which speed is important. 2 of them could be like swimming and running. Another 2 would be car race or even skiing. So all of those are important because speed is what determines the winner. When we talked about speed being distance divided by time, we use a vocabulary word. High-use academic word? Well, complete the following sentence. The relationship between speed, distance, and time can be written as an equation. And sometimes those equations can be manipulated in such a way or moved around so that they can solve for different things. If you have one and not another, you can usually solve for it. Or if you have 2, you can solve for the third because it's an equation. It can be set up as equal. So let's go to our equation down here in our graph. We're going to identify by drawing arrows on the scale to mark how far the cyclist travels in 1, 2, 3, 3.5, and 4 seconds. So here's the cyclist. When you say in distance, meters, you can say in 1 second it traveled 10 meters. So 10 meters per each second. So the first second, 1001. She would go 10 meters. 1002. She went another 10 meters. So 10 and 10 would put you at 2 seconds. Was that 20? 1003. 3 seconds would put you at 30. Looking at that, we can determine that 3.5 would be halfway between 30 or at 35. And 4 seconds is a complete 40 meters. Let's go to the challenge question. So how long will it take the cyclist to travel 400 meters? That's where I was saying the equation. We can work the equation to solve for time. So time is the same as distance divided by speed. Or you can write it as 40 divided by 10 divided by the seconds, or 400 meters divided by 10 meters per second. Because the meters cross out, your only label is seconds. So 400 divided by 10 would give you 40 seconds.